It's gonna be awesome. Got a good feeling. Not good when you can almost see your breath inside the vehicle. There's a buck coming out. We're fixing to see a fight right here. Kill him. It didn't go off. I had a freaking dud.
Holy smokes! What have you got here?
Most people don't think of the northern panhandle of Texas as big buck country, but T-Fork Outfitters has some of the biggest free-range whitetails in the entire state.
And last year I had a tag out there and we went out and hunted with Ty Sims, and by the end of that week we were absolutely amazed at the actual size of these whitetails, and we put an incredible stalk on one of the big ones.
Man, that's a good buck right there. I think that's that buck that I saw the other day. I'm gonna go right here. You guys keep going right here. I wanna be sure they don't come up this other drainage over here. Y'all keep going, you're gonna see, stay high right there. Stay high when y'all get up there. Don't get too low. Stay high, and that drainage is right there. The deer are gonna be coming right up through there.
They're gonna come all around it?
Yeah, they're gonna come around up there. You should see them.
You say so. Go up on top of this little top right here, and I'll look over and make sure there's nothing there. I'm just gonna ease up here. Just hang on, I'll motion back to you. We just go out to that.
Yeah.
That's our boy. Can you see him? See him? He's going down. He's down.
We pulled it off?
We pulled it off. Holy. Oh, yeah, baby. Here we go.
Towards the one,
How about that?
that first fork was big enough. He's done.
I mean, holy moly. That is so awesome. And then, man, he done. Thank you, Lord. Woo-wee, baby. Let's go take a look at him, buddy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Lord, thank you so much. What have we done, man? Look. Oh my goodness, brother. How about the wound? Look at the neck on that deer. You kidding? Look at that. Oh my goodness, man. Look at the mass on this deer. Look at the eye guards, buddy. That is the coolest character on a buck I have ever killed. This deer is huge. Look at his chest on this deer.
T-Fork Outfitters. Think Texas has got just little deer? Wrong.
Wrong. Look at that.
We have made it to T-Fork Outfitters. We're right here on the Rockin' S Ranch. Ty runs this ranch, and this place is beautiful. We got brush country here, and we'll be hunting out in the canyon country where it looks like we're out on the moon. Just wide open, not a tree for miles. Big bucks running in and out of those canyons. We kind of change it up. If they're not doing it in the canyons, you can come over here in this brush country, and it's a whole different type of hunting than it is out there.
If you want to get your stuff together, we'll go make a circle. I know a particular place over here we can go look at on our way, and we'll go.
Like right now?
Yeah. Yep. If y'all are ready.
Do you think they're just gonna start? I mean,
yeah. I think the sooner the better.
okay. Let's get dressed.
This is the first, last, and only dollar I've ever made around here.
This is why we need you to come book a hunt with T-Fork Outfitters. The man is suffering.
We were in a mad rush to get everything ready and get out the door because the weatherman said a big cold front was coming. Well, it showed up, but it got there a little early. In fact, it showed up while we were still getting ready.
I hope y'all get ready, because we all know what happens when a cold front moves in. Dave moves out.
Well, it's cold. That's a good thing. But the wind still hadn't laid down. Not good when you can almost see your breath inside the vehicle. We're in here sitting on a knoll on about an 80-acre piece of nothing but CRP and plum thickets. And the deer travel it. There's a wheat field at that end, and there's a wheat field at this end. They should travel right here in front of us. Little wind protection down in here. It's nice and calm comparatively. Up top, it is getting it. It's supposed to calm down tonight though and start snowing tomorrow. This is one of those spots where they could just start standing up anywhere. It's gonna be awesome. Got a good feeling. Cup of coffee in the morning. It's just food for the brain. Candy corns, peanuts. Try it. It tastes just like a payday. It's uncanny.
Candy.
It's uncanny. Well, we've told you, I don't know how many times now, how cold it is. This morning, we're gonna be able to show you. Because there's about 3 inches of snow on the ground.
We look like a couple of real tree marshmallows because every stitch of clothing that we carried to Texas, we were wearing. But hey, the rut's rocking, the weather's cold, the deer are gonna be moving, so we were ready to sit all day if we needed to.
just not seeing the big bucks in this area. He's seen some pretty good ones over on another spot, so we're gonna go in and hunt a different spot in the morning, so I think we're gonna go ahead and take a doe tonight. She's coming. Come on, Whitney. Man, I thought 7 mag, I must have hit her through the soft stuff. I thought I was on her shoulder pretty good though. But I was on it good enough. Next. That's where we were, right over there on that hill. And that's where she is. And yep, we drove right to her. I hit her perfect. I don't know how she toted that. First Texas deer. I wonder if I should just go ahead and pencil my name in down here at the bottom. Replace this name.
Why replace that? That's a good looking. Who's that?
Don't worry about that. It's like 15 degrees. And everything's ice, snow. It is crazy foggy. Just gotta wait for one of these rutting bucks to decide he's gonna come in and check this field. Oh, look at there, there's a buck coming out. And he's all busted up. I mean, his entire left side's broke. Jeez, he's a huge bodied deer. That deer is a big deer. Goodness gracious. He's got everything broke off. There's a buck right there. Oh, big deer. Big deer. He's got a bunch of mass. I can't tell. We're fixing to see a fight right here. Look, 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 look.
He just went down.
That is a big, heavy deer. I had a freaking dud. It struck the primer and everything. And I ejected the shell, and it hit this heater. And it goes, dang. Perfect. Perfect. Couldn't have happened better. And I'm so excited. And I got a good one. Let's go take a look at him. I'm chomping at the bit. As you can see in this snow, we're not gonna have to bend over and look for blood. It's a pretty easy track job. Man, it is just spraying out of him. There he is right there. Look at that. Get down there. Oh, he's a brute, man. Big, mature deer. And that's what we came to Texas to kill, was a big, mature whitetail. And I can tell you, we got it done. My first Texas deer. Just didn't know I had to go to the Arctic to do it.
Holy smokes! What have you got here?
He whooped a deer's hind end that come in over here and made a scrape, run him all over the place, got hung in a tree.
Well, this deer here, I seen this deer the other day, and this deer is a fighting sucker right here. That is awesome. That is awesome. Man, he had a little extra right there.
Yeah, and
broke this off, broke that off.
it looks like, I can't tell, but it looks like he had another one trying to start there.
Looks like he had. Looks like he had. Holy smokes. Well, anybody tough enough to sit out in this weather, holy smokes, you guys have braved some elements here.
Man, I appreciate it.
Good job, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, you guys. That's an old guy right there, man. That's
How old is he?
That deer right there is gonna be 7.5 years old. That is something else. Y'all ready for a cup of coffee though?
Yeah, I'll take you up on that. You owe me a cup of coffee, because this is ridiculous.
Man, congratulations. You guys, y'all had to tough out some elements here.
Are you sure y'all weren't hunting the panhandle of Alaska? Because that doesn't look like any part of Texas I've ever been to.
I tell you what, we forgot about the temperatures when that fiasco went down in the blind. I'm serious, that misfired round literally hit that 10-inch square of that heater and chimed so loud, I mean, it scared me.
Oh, I'm sure that buck's ears were still ringing from the boxing match he just got out of.
Whatever the reason, he stood there long enough for round 2 to get down range, which was his bad. And so he went home to Oklahoma with us. But I cannot wait to get back to Texas and kill another one of those big old bucks.
I thought I was hunting Texas this year.
Good, because it was too cold for me.
Good.
And so we went out there and hunted with T-Fork Outfitters. He already said that. That was.
Are you sure you guys weren't hunting in the panhandle of Alaska?
Panhandle?
Get off me. Are you sure y'all weren't hunting up in the panhandle of Alaska? Because that don't look like any area of Texas I ever been to. What did I do now? Sure y'all weren't hunting up in the panhandle of Alaska? Why does that word sound so funny?
Panhandle.